4th gen Ram 1500. Got some instructions. A little thank you letter from them. Comes with a hitch cover. All the install hardware you're going to need. And then the actual hitch itself.
That's a pretty hitch right there.
Seems to be pretty solid, nice and sturdy looking. We'll get this installed here shortly, and I'll get another video of how we put it on. Thanks, man. All right, we're going to put on the OEDRO hitch. First thing we're going to do is pop off the bumper cap. This is just the cap for a standard ball to go through. Then we're going to take the actual hitch, scoot down here, and we're going to slide it in under the bumper like that, and then we're going to line it up to the hole in the bumper, and we'll get these threads started. Okay. I'm just going to tighten this up, just hand tight for right now. Okay. Okay, we're going to go ahead and lower the spare tire. This is going to give you some space to access the part where the rear bolts go in. Take the coil end of the wire that's provided. You're going to put it in through the hole, and you're going to fish it all the way out. It's going to come out this end down here. All right, so the coil end will come out here. You'll take the provided bolt and you'll thread that into the coil. And then you'll pull that back through like such. But the line there, it should allow you to pull that bolt through the opening like that. Okay? Tension on the bolt, slide the washer over, slide over the lock washer, and then thread the nut on. Okay, once you got that, just kind of snug that up, and then we're going to repeat the same process for this side here. And just put the flat washer and then lock washer over the bolt. Try and keep tension on that because you don't want that bolt to drop back in. And then just thread the nut back on. Okay, and then using a 22mm ratchet and socket, and just tighten that down. So the bar on the actual bolt will help keep it from spinning as you torque the bolt nut down. I just kind of snug these a little bit, and then I'll check the placement of it, make sure it's centered up where it needs to be prior to torquing everything down to spec. Here's the actual hitch finally installed. Just torque this down as well. Here's the provided OEDRO hitch cover. All right, there's your Ram 1500 OEDRO hitch 2-inch receiver. I believe it works on the 25 and 3500 as well. So far, solid product, good quality. I'll actually get my receiver out, and I've got to actually move a trailer this weekend, so I'll post another review after I do that move.